those are $41. There's some that are 20. The hydrangeas are $32.99. The price of them will go down later. So pretty. Wow. See, these bigger ones are $35.99. But it's like a sea of hydrangeas. So this is the one I wanted, but they only have it as a planter. It's $19.99. Some real small birds of paradise below the hydrangeas. We got tomatoes, peppers, and fruit plants over there as well. Now, I'm not sure what kind of hydrangea this is, but this one's a very different leaf. It says Miko Blue. I'm going to look that up when I get home. You're gonna fix it? Good job. So this one is pretty. It's $24.99. This bench is $179.99. So pretty. Oh, they got a braided azalea for $44.99. How cute. Wow. Camellia. Like a lot of camellias. I need a Japanese maple. I know they had it last year, but my spot that I had for it wasn't ready yet. Now it's ready. I'm gonna have to keep coming back and checking for them. Oh, look at all the pots. Like some of those over there are $79.99. This big brown one here is pretty, $73 and $109 because it's 2 in 1. That blue one is pretty. That blue one, $46 and $31. Okay. Oh, you get an additional 30% off the marked price. Those are some nice colors. Michael Kors design pots. Ooh. 30% off. The average price I'm seeing is the smaller ones are $40, $30, and the middle ones are like $70, and the bigger ones are like $109. The large standing ones like that one, the red one, the brown one, are $109. Those are some huge leaves. Wow, so pretty. So this one is Acapulco white. So I guess that's the pink one there. I'm finding all the pink super beanies except the purple. I wanted the purple ones. Like here is a purple one in the pot. Either this or verbena. I'll take either or to put in my planter that I'm doing. And all the containers here are $6.99. Maybe I should just get this one since I can't find the one that I want. Oh my goodness. So I came here a few days ago and everything was gone. Now they have hydrangeas and they have some more supertunias. Like all the supertunias were gone when I was here a few days ago. I was like, oh my goodness. So they got some more now. And the supertunias are $6.99. So all of these are $6.99, and there's more bubble gum, guys. I was here and they were all gone. Now they have I actually have this one. and the bubble gum. So they are good. Aww. They're $7.99. How pretty. This is another big house plant. Funny enough, there's a sign on here that said this is my home, not for resale. So unfortunately, this one's not for sale. The orchids are here. Like some are $29.99, some are $26.99. $35.99 for that tall one. Palms are $79.99. Cat palm is $29.99. The peace lilies are, is it $29 or $19? Let me double check. $19.99. Not for sale. Somebody purchased it already. Ooh, this one's pretty. $10.99 for these small ones here. And these are $39.99. This is $29.99. It's majestic palm. So pretty. And the smaller ones are $12.99. There's lots of snake plants. $16.99. $24.99 for the bigger snake plants. Oh, if you're a dog lover, look at the doggy. That is the cutest thing. The doggy is, I'm pretty sure the price is under him, and I'm not feel like lifting it up. Looks a bit heavy. You break it, you pay for it. So these are great house plants. These are $56.99. That one's $39.99 and $16.99. So I'm pretty sure this is a house plant. However, I'm creating a shade garden, and I think this is going to look perfect in my shade garden. So I'm putting the house plants in my shade garden. I love the green and white ones. They're so pretty. That's $29.99. Big sale on daffodils and tulips, only 25 cents each. 59 cents. These are $2. Those are $1. The daffodils are 25 cents. More evergreens. Got blue points.
I'm gonna do it.
I think the last time there was a arborvitae over there.
No, I'm doing it.
$1.15.
No, I'll do it. Wait.
For $49.99. These have blooms on them. We have the hibiscus for $24.99. These are more tropical hibiscus. We have some rose on standard. I want to go check those out. Here go the double knockout roses. And $17.99. So we have a white rose on standard. Look at that, it's $49.99. They smell so good. And we have another drift rose. There's a lot of buds on it. That's $49.99. Another $32.99. The double knockout roses are $24.99. So are these over there. More standard. We also have some more evergreens, some succulents. Trees over there. All the fruits, so I'm not gonna go over there. I'm not getting the fruit trees. I'm looking for my dahlias. But we got roses here, and I got a toddler throwing balls, so I can go play fetch like a little puppy. But I'll be her puppy for the day.
Yeah, my Bobby.
There's some gardenias over there. The gardenias are $24.99. That's the dwarf type. And here goes some cacti. Oh look, here go a lollipop. So that's a lollipop. And this one's a double decker. And you have the triple deckers down here. So it's $110 for the lollipop. That's the Blue Point juniper. Wow. We go plumbago, sweet almond bush, quite a few over there. And that's $115 for the double decker. Pretty sure that's not the name for it. Lollipop. Not lollipop, these are the triple balls. What's the actual name for them? I think the lollipop ones are the single ball. These have 3 balls. They're not called balls, they're actually topiaries. In tree form. I have no idea what plant this is. It's very curious looking. And here goes a yellow version, I think, for $17.99. Dahlias, butterfly bush, these are $17.99. And these are $42.99. These are $42.99. What plants are those? Anyone know what plant this is? Comment below. Everyone look, I have evidence. It says your husband called. He said to buy anything you want. We got proof. More planters. It's $26.99. It's $2.99. But they got sweet potato vines. Jalapenos. That's what jalapenos look like when they're coming up. So cute. So I was trying to find the verbenias that was purple, but they only have the red ones. And they have this one that's mixed in with that. And all these pots are $5.99. So more dahlias. These are already in pots. You don't have to worry about dealing with the tubers. Is purple and white dahlia. Dahlia. Doesn't have any fancy name to it. But the planters are beautiful. Look at this. Pretty. So pretty. So delphiniums are $17.99. Look how pretty they look. You got some petunias. More petunias. Soup petunias. The danthus are on sale. There's red and pink. On sale for $2. Oh, look, dahlias. I am looking for dahlias, but these are already in bloom. They're not bulbs. $5.99, but these are pretty. This look like the Arabian Nights I had last year. Is it Arabian Night? Let's see. Vampire Dahlia. That's cute. So the planters are $26.99. I'm trying to see if I can find this as individuals. These are pretty. Oh, I found one of the kitties, but here's one of the containers that they have. This looks so pretty. Oh, look at this one. So it's pretty right here as well. Oh, I actually like this with that. I'm gonna look for this one. I'm gonna put that in. Guys, I did good. I just got my manure from my dahlias, and I got 2 supertunias. And unfortunately, I did not find any dahlias, any dahlia tubers. They actually had dahlias in the pot, but not the tubers. You can get in. Go ahead. So the search continues.